Okay, hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Mr. Awesome. Welcome, awesome guys. Okay, today I'm going to teach you how to use Apvertise and everything the Apvertise platform is all about. You know, a lot of you have been on my DM, have been on my comment section asking about Apvertise. So today I'm basically going to walk you through the process of using Apvertise to earn money and what the whole thing is about. So in a nutshell, Apvertise is a marketing and advertising company where brands and businesses can go and advertise their product, just like the name goes, Apvertise. So you advertise your product, your brand, anything worth sharing on the Apvertise platform, and that money you should have paid to Facebook or an influencer. You pay it to Apvertise. Why? Apvertise influencers can now share your advert to so many people, more than you can even imagine. All right. So, you know, it's always better to buy things from people you know, or to patronize businesses influenced by people you know. So this is why Apvertise has a section where it supports micro influencers like you watching this video right now, and I myself making the video. Influencers who use social media, no matter how little your social media followership is, you can actually become a micro or mega influencer on Apvertise. But Apvertise, however, has a way of naming everybody as a micro influencer, no matter how big or little your social media followership is. You can become an influencer with Apvertise and earn money through sharing these adverts you meet on the platform. So basically, what you do on Apvertise is go there, find a campaign, and share. So let me explain a little bit of Apvertise to you. All right, so these are the sections. What you're seeing here, this is an example of a campaign on Apvertise. They have they are showing inactive because these campaigns have exhausted the money that was invested in them. It has been exhausted. So, but if there was still cash in these campaigns, all you need to do is just click on share and earn. So it will generate a unique link for you where you, when people click through your link to visit these campaigns or adverts, once there's an impression, you earn money for it. So let's walk down a bit. So if you're someone who advertises for brands or you promote people's ideas, Apvertise is a good platform for you to use because you can actually easily, all right, get people to share the adverts you've put out organically. So if people pay you to advertise for them, you can take the job to advertise, pay them a little money, then human beings, real human beings will share these things around for people to see, and those people get paid for it. So Apvertise is always good for micro influencers. I've explained that part before. So you as a social media user, you use Twitter, you use Facebook, you use Discord, you use WhatsApp, Telegram, Messenger. When you click on the share and earn, you see something similar to this thing. Watch what I'm circling. Something similar to this area. All right. So this is where you find your unique referral link, where not really a referral link, an unique advert link or influencing link, meaning each and every influencer on Apvertise gets a different link when they click on the share button. The link I will get is definitely going to be different from the link that John would get, from the link that Mercy would get, the link that Cynthia would get, all right? So each influencer has a unique link coming from the different adverts that run on the platform. Okay, so then finally, Apvertise is good for you also as a business owner. You're someone who wants to be ahead of your competitor by connecting directly to your customers on Apvertise, okay? So Apvertise helps you send the word out about your business to people who would be interested in patronizing your business. So that is basically what Apvertise is all about. So coming to the sign up area, you just need to click on get started after you visit apvertise.com or via the link I would share in the description section below. And if you're watching this video, make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, as I'll be bringing up different money making tools for you, things that would help you make money on social media. That is basically the niche of this YouTube channel. I'll keep talking about things that can help you earn. So if you're interested in such topics, hit the like and subscribe button now before I change that for you. All right, I believe you've done that. If you've not done it, God is watching you. All right, so here you fill in your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number, your country. When you're done with this stage, I've signed up before, that's why I'm not going to go through that process again. So when you're done with this stage, it will take you to the section where you provide more information about your account number and the processes you need to receive your payments. So let me just log into my Apvertise account and show you guys how the thing works. Let me take you around. Let me show you around. Okay, so I'm in. All right. So when you're into the platform, so I'm just going to show you a little bit of how you share and earn. So it is showing this way because my phone is on landscape mode. But if you keep your phone on portrait, you would see it in a different way. All right. Okay. So for this adverts here, these are campaigns. When they tell you share campaigns, these are what campaigns are, okay? So this campaign is inactive because they've exhausted the money that the business that uploaded this campaign paid to advertise to bring this product out, okay? So, but let's assume any of these campaigns are still active. All you need to do is to click on share and earn. All right. Okay, so it brings you to where you see what the campaign is about. I think the picture is a high, okay, yeah. So they show you what the campaign is about. You can read through it. Then you click on share campaign. Wow, error. It's showing error because the campaign fee has been exhausted. The money the people paid to run this advert has actually been exhausted. But influencers don't chop the money finish. They've exhausted all the money that was invested in this campaign. But I just wish there was an active campaign, so I really show you guys how this thing works. You know, people are really grabbing all the money from this platform. I don't know why you're wasting time. Okay, this is how much I have that I've not withdrawn so far. Well, there's no active campaign. There is no active campaign. Oh, I wish I could find one, guys. So I'll really show you practically how this thing works. It's really necessary if you know how to find your way around it. Well, unfortunately, we couldn't find an active campaign. Right, so that's basically what Apvertise does. I believe watching this, you should already have a glimpse of what the whole thing is all about. Then if you're someone who wants to run a campaign on Apvertise, you want to pay them, all you need to do is click on new campaign. So it shows you the things you need to fill up. Here you fill your company name, your campaign name. Then down here you select the company you want to run a campaign for, the start date, the end date, the description of your advert, that's your sales copy. You click on proceed. On the next page, you're going to provide them with some pictures that you need for your campaign, all right? So that is that about that. So when you earn on Apvertise and you wish to withdraw, all you need to do is to come here, click on cash out, okay? It brings you to this page. You can see all the money I have been able to make from Apvertise. These are all the withdrawals I've made, okay? Then you click on request payout. This is how much I have. Meanwhile, the minimum payout on Apvertise is $10. When you do that, you click on continue. They take you to the part where you receive your payment. Yeah, the minimum payout is $10. I didn't add up to $10.
So one more thing that is worthy of note is
that
for each campaign you share on Apvertise, you can come to this section and see the campaigns you've been able to share. And then for the number of counts or the counts of impression your campaign has gotten, for example, this area where I have 699 on a refer and earn campaign, that means I actually brought 699 people to advertise. Like 699 people were able to register on Apvertise because of me, and I did that between the 25th of January to I think the first week of February. That was able to bring roughly 700 people into Apvertise to register. So for each campaign you share, the impression gotten from that campaign is recorded in this angle. So to see it, you just need to come to the share campaign section. You will see the number of impressions your ad got. So you can be able to calculate the amount, the money you've made. For example, when the refer and end campaign was still live, okay, Apvertise was paying 35 cents for it. That's $0.35. So to know how much I actually earned from it, for those of you that do not like minding your business, to know how much I earned from Apvertise in general, for this particular campaign, you can actually do 699 times 0.35. That's in dollars. So whatever it gives you, you can multiply it in naira to know how much it is in naira. So that is how you calculate yours too. So currently, Apvertise, when I spoke to the company last, they told me they are now paying $0.07 for each impression. And what is an impression? You might be wondering. Now, for example, a brand might actually want to advertise something, and their goal is for people to message them on WhatsApp. Some other brands will want people to download their apps on Play Store. Another brand might just want people to just view what they are advertising. So whatever it is these brands want to achieve, once that thing is done, that is when you have a complete impression. Meaning, if it's for an advert that requires people to download an app, you don't have an impression and a qualified impression until the app is downloaded. If it's for an advert that requires these people to send a WhatsApp message to these brands, you do not have an impression yet until the message is successfully sent. So depending on what the brands want to achieve, that is when you know your campaigns have successfully gotten a successful impression. All right. So like I'll repeat again, the number of impressions each campaign you share has gotten is recorded here. And then for your earnings show up every day by 9:10 p.m. Between 9 p.m. and 9:13 p.m., your earnings will show. So don't expect to just share and see how much you've earned immediately. It shows up every day by 9 to 9:13 p.m. All right. The company might decide to make changes to this. I can't say about that. But for now, this is just how the whole thing works. So guys, thank you for watching my YouTube channel. We're going to be making more of this kind of videos where you get to understand how some platforms you can earn money from, how they work. So keep an eye on this channel. If you're not subscribed already, make sure you subscribe and keep following the videos I'll post. Thank you very much.